for breakfast we have this. I think this is mendu vada and this is mirchi or something like that. I'm also not sure. So hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. We are right at the side of the highway. So this is the main highway that will take us to Dhanushkodi, and we are having a breakfast. We got a bit late today. It is 12:45 that we are having a breakfast. So we'll have this and quickly make a move because for Dhanushkodi it is around 5 hours from here. So we'll have this. We were just packing everything and I had given the order and I went. So since we were not there, what she has done is she has kept coffee inside over here because she did not want it to get cold. And I was thinking why these two glasses are like this. So when I just removed it up, I saw that there was coffee in it. So we ordered chapati and veg kurma also. This is really good. This is a banana. So this is a banana pakoras. She had half of us, and I'll finish it off and then we'll move out from here. You know, the bike was in reserve and it had done 46 kilometers, and that is the last of it. It can do max to max 47 kilometers, and if we do not find a petrol pump, we would be stuck. So here goes the petrol. We'll be doing a full tank only. So we have taken a break after riding for 2 hours, and we are having chicken roll. This is chicken roll itself, and this is fresh lime soda. So she finished hers and she has asked for one more. It is quite refreshing, and you know, it is not cold but still, and you know it's very hot here. As long as we ride, you know, it is okay. But since the moment we stop, it becomes quite sweaty with the this thing riding jacket and all. The roads are really good. We enjoyed the views. We enjoyed it so much. I'm not wearing my motovlogging setup because you know that camera is a bit heavy and my neck is paining a bit. So once I'm about to reach Dhanushkodi, I'll show you all the views of there. But for now, I'll just take some rest. I'll you know, give my neck some rest. Otherwise, if it hurts now, it will hurt for the entire trip then. So we'll have this, and I'll tell you all how it is. This is, you know, the shape of it looks like a giant croquette. Good, very good.
Good.
So we just stopped near this beautiful lake, and it's time for a water break. So we have been riding for like 1 hour, and we wanted water. We were quite dehydrated because of the coffee we drank in the morning. So it is like, you know, a village road in Tamil Nadu, and we are just crossing through it. So it is showing that we'll reach Rameshwaram at 6 o'clock, and the temple closes at 8. It goes at 8. So we'll see. We'll try our best to reach. If not, we will take a look at it tomorrow morning.
And the name of this place is?
And the name of the place is
Sikkal.
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 Okay. So I just stopped to mount the camera, and we are finally at Dhanushkodi. So this side is the sea, and so is this side. And right now the Pamban, we'll be going on the Pamban bridge. So this is the only bridge that connects the mainland to Dhanushkodi and Rameshwaram, and this is the longest bridge in India built over a bay of a length of 2.2 kilometers. Also, the railway bridge is very famous because, you know, it has an opening that allows boats to pass through it. So let me get to that point. I'll show you all that as well. And you know, all these years I've been watching it on reels, YouTube videos, and it feels so good to watch it like right in front of your eyes. Here we are. You know, I wish a train would pass and it would look so good. You just see how beautiful it looks. I think there are 2 railway tracks. You know, when I was a kid, I had seen a documentary of this bridge, the railway bridge, that about the maintenance and how they manage the stuff, about the trains. And after so many years after that, I am right in front of it. So this is the part where the bridge opens, and you look there down. So this part opens, and then a ship can cross below. But man, how beautiful this looks. Now we are on the interior streets of Pamban, and we will enter Rameshwaram in a while now. So finally we are at Rameshwaram, and here's the temple. Look at how wonderful it looks from the front. This is the West Tower entrance. Here's the temple, and we are walking to check for the locker room. Oh, there's a cloak room here. We'll keep things here if they have good lockers. So we have come to the locker room, and these are the two lockers, locker number 17 and 18. So we'll keep all our stuff here. We cannot wear this thing, jackets and shoes inside. Obviously shoes are different. So we'll just keep this and we'll go. We'll check. I'll show you all what's the inside also. So here's the main entrance of the temple, and we are walking barefoot. So the entry to the temple, I don't know which side it is, we'll check. So the last time is up till 6 o'clock it seems. We'll check how it is. So we went to a wrong gate, and because of that, we have come out and we have to take the entire turn of the temple and go to the south gate, wherein the corridors are. So first gate is for the darshan, second gate is for the wells, 22 wells, holy wells, and the third gate is for the corridors itself. Fourth gate is for the corridors. Third gate I am not sure what it is for. I'll tell you all once I see it. So we have entered one more side, and this is more of like the market here. Most of the shops are closed, but this is the market. So these are the famous corridors. These corridors are in length of a kilometer, that is 1200 meters, and they have around 1212 corridors, pillars like this. So we came from the temple, and now we are come to have breakfast. So we ordered masala dosa, and these days we have been skipping lunch because we are getting up late, and by the time we travel after the heavy breakfast, we don't feel like eating anything. So we'll have this thing now, masala dosa, and then we'll have a dinner at night, quite heavy, so that we are not off the track on the diet. So we'll have this now, and then we'll make a move from here to Dhanushkodi. So here's the masala dosa and filter coffee. In Tamil Nadu they drink a lot of filter coffee, and at every hotel you'll get filter coffee. And it tastes really good too. So we are thinking that if we get filter coffee on the day, we'll take it home as well. So my baby girl is having masala dosa, and she'll be feeding me as well because my hands are pretty much dirty. We are back at the locker room. I already wore my shoes. My girl is wearing hers, and this is how we kept all our stuff here. So just the jackets and knee guards, and we'll just put them on and we'll go from here. Now we'll go Dhanushkodi and we'll check what's the status over there. I think it will be too dark for us to even see Sri Lanka, but we'll try. Since we are come here, we'll try and we'll check what's there. So right now we are walking on the streets of Dhanushkodi, and you see there is a church. CSI is written on it, and it looks really good with the lighting. So we have some bad news right now. Actually Dhanushkodi is closed at 5 and we reached there at 8 o'clock. So we could not go in front, and that was a bit of a problem. So we have to spend the night here in Dhanushkodi today. Actually our plan was to go to Madurai and stay the night over there, but then it was not just possible, because coming here and not going to the end point of Dhanushkodi is a bit of incomplete story. So what we'll be doing is we'll be staying here today. We'll check in a hotel, and then we'll leave from here tomorrow morning. So we are going for food right now, It is somewhere here around the corner. Quite famous place in Dhanushkodi. So we are come for food, and this bird is called as Carder Yutsim. So we were just checking what it is. It is called as common quail in English, and this fish is Velamin, but I don't know what it is called in English. And this is chicken, and this is
Chicken 65.
okay. This is chicken 65. Okay, so we'll have a sit and order. So our food here is come. This is jeera rice. This is chicken sukka, and this is prawns, and this is the it's another bird. I forgot what they are told. This is the common quail. So we wanted to taste this. That's why we ordered one. If we like it, we'll order one more. And you know, the first time on our ride, we are getting to eat on banana leaves without a plate beneath. So we are super excited to do this. So we'll take a taste of how the bird tastes. Yes, let's start.
Started chicken is
Hmm?
it is similar like chicken only. There's no difference.
So we had our food, and we are now going to our bike. So we'll just check, you know, hotel nearby, because tomorrow we are planning that at 6 we will leave to Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi is on this side. So at 6 we'll leave, and then we will go to Kodaikanal. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Do, you know, leave a comment. It makes me really happy. Put a comment, you know, you can say anything, you can ask anything, you can even say nice video or bad video, whatever it is, you just put it in the comments. I love reading your comments. So that's it for today's video. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.